What's up everyone, welcome to my 26 JavaScript tutorial, and this is kind of more a continuation of 25. And if you just watched 25, everything was pretty complicated, and now in this tutorial I'm going to be putting all the pieces together and everything's going to be coming to light. So in my last tutorial I got so excited I forgot to actually put in my script tags, so let's go ahead and do that right now so you don't forget. Go ahead, script type equals text slash JavaScript, and then make an ending script tag right above your head, and you're actually gonna want to be adding one of these to the body. So let's copy and paste those right down at the body. So now you got a script in your head and a script in your body. Let me just separate that so you guys can see a little easier. Now, as you know, before we made a function which was actually an object function, and we named it computer, and we set all of the parameters equal to a value just so they were a lot easier to work with. The next thing that we did was made an instance where we said, alright, we have a variable, my new computer, it's new, we've never used it before, and we're using the computer function, and each of these parameters describe our properties for this right here. So let's go ahead and use this. Since we already made an instance called my new comp, we can call any of these functions right here. So in our body script, let's go ahead and I'm getting kind of sick of alert boxes, so let's just make a basic text on the window. So let's go document write, and this isn't part of what we're doing at all. We learned this before. All this does is write text on a website. So let's write document write, and as you know, anything that we type into this parameter is going to show up on the website. So let's go ahead and I'll prove that to you by typing document write hello. So let's save that in a line, and as you can see it says hello. But we want to call one of these properties to our functions. So to do that, let's go ahead and say if we want to reference our let's reference our CPU. That would be the most interesting. Say the brand of CPU I want is, now outside of your quotation marks add a plus sign, which means add to the text. In to reference an instance, the first thing that we're going to want to do is type in the variable name of our instance, and since it was my new comp, type in my new comp, add a period, and add whatever property you want. So if we want RAM, just go ahead and type RAM. Now if we save it and refresh, it says the kind, oops, I meant Intel. I didn't mean RAM, but the brand of CPU I want is 3 gigabytes. I meant to put Intel there, so let's go ahead and fix that. It's kind of embarrassing actually. Type in CPU. Save that. The brand of CPU I want is Intel. There, that's a lot better. Now as you can see, anytime you want to reference a piece of your document, your object, type the variable's name in and whatever parameter you want, and this will give you whatever parameter is in your new variable. As you can see, my comp CPU is Intel, and we use that by this object called computer. Now this might be a little complicated to you still, so I'm probably going to be going over this a couple times in the next tutorials until we have it down and nailed and figure it out until we're pros at it. But study this tutorial and make sure you know how to reference and at least just output basic text on your screen. So I hope you learn a little something, and if this is cloudy I'll be clearing it up in the next couple tutorials. But thanks for watching, make sure to subscribe.